The potential transformer from Larson Electronics facilitates power distribution in outdoor locations and is designed for power utility applications. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer an ideal solution for metering, protective relaying, high voltage system control, and more. This outdoor service instrument transformer is equipped with galvanized I-beam pedestals for installation. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.